Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're breaking down what is mortgage recasting, especially in the context of 2025's evolving housing market. If you're a homeowner buried under monthly payments, this could be the financial relief you've been seeking. Let's dive right in. First off, mortgage recasting is a process that allows you to lower your monthly mortgage payments without refinancing your loan. Here's how it works. You make a large lump sum payment toward your principal balance. Think $5,000 or more, and your lender recalculates your amortization schedule based on the reduced amount. This keeps your original interest rate and loan term intact, but your payments drop significantly. Why would you do this? The biggest perk is saving money on interest over time. For instance, if you have a 30-year mortgage and you recast after paying it down, you could shave hundreds off your monthly bill. Plus, it's often simpler and cheaper than refinancing, with no need for credit checks or appraisals in most cases. However, not everyone qualifies. You'll typically need a conventional mortgage from lenders like Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac, and there might be a small fee involved, around $250 to $500. Keep in mind, recasting doesn't shorten your loan term, it just makes payments more manageable. In 2025, with potential interest rate fluctuations, this option is worth considering if rates have risen since you got your loan. On the downside, if current rates are lower than your original one, refinancing might be a better choice. Always weigh the pros and cons, and remember, recasting isn't available for all loans, like FHA or VA mortgages. In summary, mortgage recasting is a smart way to ease your financial load without a full loan overhaul. If you're thinking about it, consult a financial advisor to see if it fits your situation. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. See you in the next video.